Good day to our thesis advisor, Professor Ronald Magsino, to the panelists, Ma'am, Sir, and also to our Deputy Administrator, Mrs. Florencia Capillan. I am Angelica Monterrey Cereza, and I would like to greet you all a pleasant day. I will be presenting a proposed study entitled Problems Encountered in Obtaining Driver License by the Citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon in the year of 2021 and 2022. Introduction. In January 2021, the LTO updated the Limitation Code System format. According to the Republic Act No. 10930, licensed the validity of the Philippine driver license from 3 to 5 years starting October 28, 2021. And also, it includes the demerit system that will allow motorists to enjoy a 10-year validity period provided the holder doesn't incur any points. Confiscation of driver license. Only the Land Transportation Office has the right to seize the driver license under the Republic Act No. 4136. Theoretical framework. Driver license. According to social learning theory of Albert Bandura, social behavior is learned through seeing and imitating the actions of others. According to deterrence theory, the deterrent argument has also been used to explain why there are so many unlicensed drivers. Conceptual paradigm. Figure 1 shows the conceptual framework of the study consists of independent and dependent variable. The dependent variable is the common problem in obtaining driver license by the citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon, and that will be searched for the answer of independent variable, such as profile of the respondent in terms of age, sex, and educational attainment. 2. The common problem in obtaining driver license. Statement of the problem. This research study will discuss the problems in obtaining driver license by the citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon. This specifically tries to find the answer of the following question. 1. What is the profile of the respondent in terms of age, sex, and educational attainment? 2. What are the common problems in obtaining driver license by the citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon? 3. Is there a significance between the profile of the respondent and the common problems in obtaining driver license? Hypothesis. There is no significant relationship between the profile of the respondent and the problems encountered by taking driver license. Scope and limitation. The respondent for this study are the citizens of Buena Vista, Quezon in the year of 2021 to 2022. The study is limited on the profile of the respondent, the common problem in obtaining driver license of the citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon, and the significance of the profile of the respondent to the common problem in obtaining driver license. This study will be conducted in Buena Vista, Quezon. Significance of the study. This research study will discuss the significance of the problem encountered in obtaining driver license by the citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon. To know the common problems of the citizen by obtaining driver license. This study gives some information to the LTO what is the most problem of the citizen, why they don't have getting a driver license. The researcher believes that this study will give the answer to the following: to the future criminologists, to the drivers, to the researcher, to the Land Transportation Office, to the student, and to the driver license holder. Chapter 2. Review of related literature. This contains several local and foreign studies and literature found mostly on the internet. This part shows the review of related literature and studies about the importance of driver license. The researcher conducted thorough evaluation of all relevant studies and literature, which greatly aided the study's effectiveness. Theory about motorcycle safety, Anilay Light 2013. Driver license in the Philippines, Camrode Philippine Journal 2014. Motor Industry Council Survey reveals Julia La Palme 2015. Students Driver License Carmody Philippines 2016. Assistive Technology 24 Paragraph 3 page 184 to 195 2012. Article Journal of Guizhou Police Officer Vocational College 2013. Doak LJ 69, 1585-2019. American Journal of Computer Science and Technology 3, paragraph 3, page 57 to 67, 2020. Chapter 3, Research Methodology. The researcher will use the deliberate procedure to conduct this study in this chapter. This chapter explains the details about research design, respondent of sampling technique, research locale, research instrument, data gathering procedure, and the statistical treatment of data. To find the solution of the problem, the researcher methodologies are presented in this document. Research design. The study used the descriptive method. This research method describes the characteristic of the population or phenomenon that is being studied. This methodology focuses more on what of the research subject. The researcher's study discussed the importance of the driver license toward the citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon. The researcher gathered information through the demographic profile of the citizen in Buena Vista, Quezon using questionnaire. The study aimed to determine the significance of the profile of the respondent to the problem encountered in obtaining driver license. Respondent and sampling technique. Table 1 shows the distribution of the respondent. Chosen barangay and Buena Vista, Quezon. Barangay poblacion with the total number of respondent 1,783 and sample number of the respondent is 95. Barangay San Diego with the total number of respondents 733 with the sample number of respondent 88. Barangay Ibabang Wasay with the total number of respondent 1,236 with the sample number of respondent 93. The total number of respondent is 3,752 with the total sample number of the respondent 276. The table shows the total number of the citizen from the chosen barangay and Buena Vista, Quezon. The sample number of respondent coming from the result of the Sloven formula. Research locale. Figure 1 shows the map of the research locale of the study. Buena Vista, Quezon is the chosen location for the study. Statistical treatment of data. Table 2 shows statistical tools used in this study. Purpose: to determine the adequacy of the sample. Statistical method. Sample size is Sloven. Formula: small n equals big N divided by 1 plus big N times E squared. With small n is equals to sample size, big N is equals to population size, and D equals margin of error. To understand the weight of each variable in the data analysis, weighted mean. Formula: where XW weighted means sum of all the products of F and W, where F is the frequency of each weight and W is the weight as 4321. Sum of all responses are sample size. To make comparison of the responses, percentage. Percent equals X 100, where percent is equal to percentage, F is equal to frequency, N is equals to total number of the responses. Table 2 shows the statistical tools used in the researcher in this study. The statistical method are sample size Sloven, stratified sample, weighted mean, and percentage of the gathered data. Table 3. 4-point scale to determine the importance of getting driver license by the citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon. Scalar is assigned to the points attained by the respondent. It is interpreted using the scale below. 4. With the mean of 3.50 to 4. With the rating verbal interpretation, strongly agree. 3. With the mean of 2.50 to 3.49. With the rating verbal interpretation, agree. 2. With the mean of 1.50 to 2.49. With the rating verbal interpretation, disagree. And 1. With the mean of 1 to 1.49. With the rating verbal interpretation, strongly disagree. Research instrument questionnaire. In relation to the research study entitled Problems Encountered in Obtaining Driver License by the Citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon in the year of 2021 to 2022, The following questions in this form are designed for this study, and I would like appreciate your assistance in answering them. Part 1. Demographic profile of the respondent. 1. Name or optional. 2. Age 17 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, 31 to 35, 36 to 40. 3. Gender male or female. 4. Educational attainment elementary, secondary, K-12 program, college, and others specify. Part 2. Common problems in obtaining driver license among the citizens of Buena Vista, Quezon. 4. Strongly agree. 3. Agree. 2. Disagree. 1. Strongly disagree. Items. Common problem in obtaining driver license by the citizen of Buena Vista, Quezon in the year of 2021 to 2022. Problems encountered. 1. Financial problem. 2. Failure in completing the documents needed. 3. Being illiterate and unable to read and answer the question truly. 4. Does not meet the requirements of being physically and mentally fit to drive. 5. Practical examination failure. 6. Underage and is not eligible to get a professional driver license. 7. Driving school is too far and is not affordable. 8. Travel restriction and not vaccinated. 9. Increasing driver license fees in the midst of COVID-19 pandemic. 10. Passing score for written examination is not reached. And that is my discussion, and I'm ready to answer your question and take your all suggestion and recommendation.